Okay, so today I went on a little spree to PetSmart. Hold on. This looks better. Yeah, so you can see I added some stuff. Added some two, gosh, I forgot what they were called, but two big plants and this smaller plant here. And I got 5 more peppered cories, and I got 2 koi angelfish. These guys. Yeah, so let's try to count the cories. Yeah, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The other one's hiding somewhere. Oh, 8. There we go. Yeah, that's 8.